go. Arms pull the correct direction and down. Head, head. And don't pull to the back, just pull on the corner here. Correct. 你就要放在这里 like put on the table here. Don't swing your body. Okay? And the attitude also is pulling up. But and lift up your supporting leg, coming down. For the arms, when you close, don't too near your body. Think about pull out. 是圆的 but your shoulder cannot pull forward. Shoulder pull back is opposite. When you're coming down, 你撅着屁股的，所以 after learn your walking leg, stomach lift up， 快点把你的 spine 拉直 ，put your alignment straight， 不是这样，是 straight，alignment straight。Okay, go. Arms pull the correct direction and down. Head, head, and better go 1 and head, head.